How to fix Snapchat sign up temporarily disabled. Trying to create a Snapchat account, but seeing the message sign up temporarily disabled? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix this issue and successfully create your account. Step 1. Why is Snapchat sign up temporarily disabled? Before fixing the issue, let's understand why this happens. Snapchat may temporarily block new signups for reasons like 1. Using a VPN, Snapchat may detect unusual activity. 2. Creating too many accounts from the same device. 3. Using an IP address flagged as suspicious. 4. A temporary server issue on Snapchat's end. Step 2. Turn off VPN and try again. If you're using a VPN, turn it off and try signing up again. Snapchat often blocks VPN users for security reasons. Step 3. Restart your device and internet connection. Restart your phone and internet connection. Sometimes, Snapchat blocks certain IP addresses temporarily, and restarting your router may give you a new one. Step 4. Try a different device or network. If the issue persists, try signing up from another device or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa. Step 5. Wait for 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes, Snapchat temporarily blocks new signups for security reasons. If none of the previous steps work, wait for 24 to 48 hours and try again later. Step 6. Contact Snapchat support. If you're still unable to sign up, contact Snapchat support at support@snapchat.com. Select I can't sign up, explain your issue, and submit your request. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching and happy snapping!